Hi everyone, my name is Omar and I'm applying for the position of Vice President of IGT department. I have been part of IGT for some time now, and during this journey I have learned, grown and understood the real impact that our LC can create. Today I want to share what inspired me about this LC and why I believe I'm ready to step up into this role. So what inspired me the most about our LC is the spirit of resilience. Even when we face challenges, its low performance, lack of members, or unstoppable structure, we always find a way to bounce back. This LC is fully of potential. I have seen talented members with great energy and ideas. Sometimes we just need someone to coordinate, guide, and push the team to believe in the mission again. Another source of inspiration is our impact on youth and companies. Through IGT, we are not just selling a product, we are building opportunities for people to experience growth in a new culture, and we are helping local companies to access global talent that can change the way they work. This purpose motivates me every day. I want to become Vice President of IGT because I believe in this department must not close. IGT has too much value and potential to disappear just because no one step up. I want to take responsibility and rebuild the department for the inside. I have experience in sales, from my role at ISEC and from working in a book center, cross-culture communication through ISEC and other experience, team collaboration and project management, especially through events like Speak, Skill Up, and other OC roles. These skills give me a strong foundation to lead IGT, but more importantly, I want this role because I care. I care about the LC, about the people in it, about the department, and about the impact we can create together. I want to build a department where members feel supported, trained, and motivated, where numbers grow because the team grows. If I become vice president, I want to focus on three main things: rebuild the team structure, so bringing clarity to roles, goals, and responsibility; strengthening our LC system from more professional outreach, better follow-up, and solid funnel; creating a culture of consistency, tracking KPIs, celebrating wins, and learning from failure together. I want IGT to become a department where members feel proud, confident, and connect to the mission of ISEC. So to conclude, I'm inspired by this LC because it has patience, resilience, and potential. I want to be vice president because I truly believe I can help rebuilding and lead IGT into a strong year. Thank you for watching, and I hope to have the opportunity to serve this LC as your next VP IGT.